Hello everyone, today I will teach you on how to share Roblox Studio on your friends. So please watch carefully, and this is the easy way on how to share your Roblox Studio to your friends. So please watch and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First, go to Roblox Studio. If you don't have one, creation, so I will teach you how to create. So you can choose on these two, any of these. So I will choose base plate. That's it. So go to view and go to team create. Click this, save to Roblox, and you will provide a name of your team create. So think about what's best cool name about your creation. So me, team AZ server sample. So the creator is me, and you will choose what device you want to join, like this: computer, tablet, VR, phone, or console. So it's up to you if you will check the console. So click save, then wait it for setting up the server. So it's already done. So you will see in this, in your avatar, you will see this like an add button for your friends. So click it, and you will search for your friends you want to add. Like, so I'll type my friend's name, Raise, like this, friend, and you will choose if you want to Race become an editor or just to play the game, and you will choose that. So I will choose to, if you choose the edit, he can edit the game, he can edit anytime, or he want to change something in my server, and that's the edit. And if the player is just to play the game, he just play the game. That's the easy way to explain it. I'll choose the play, save. And where you find the creation you done or you create. So go to Roblox Creator Hub, go to creations, wait for it, my internet is very slow, bro. Okay, you will see my experience, and share with me. In share with me, you will see the launch studio. So in my experience, you will see the server I create, and here, team AZ server sample. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.